And the girl in the corner with the scarlet letter, while you're watching, you may think that she doesn't matter, but no one knows you better.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. My name Raras Cahyaningrum. I'm from Mathematics Education at Muhammadiyah Professor Dr. Hamka University. In this video, I want to show you about video practice of learning mathematics with derivative of trigonometric function for 12th grade senior high school. Before you watch, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy for watching! Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning everyone. How are you today?
Good morning.
We are still given healthy by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala so that we can meet in Zoom meeting. Okay, before we start the lesson, let's pray together. Have to blessing for the God. Praise begin. Finish. Because all of are complete, now we will do ascend. Adela Irma. Salamah Nur Mujahidah.
Present, Miss.
Indah Putri.
Present, Miss.
Dia Ayu.
Present.
Paradina Nurulita. Rizka Fitriani. Good, everyone has entered into Zoom meeting. Let's prepare ourselves for today's lesson. I want to ask question related to the previous meeting. Does anyone still remember what we learned?
Limit of algebra function, Miss.
Yes, right. What is the definition limit algebra function?
Miss. The limit algebra is one of the key concepts in calculus and analysis about behavior of function approaching a specific input point.
Yes, it's true. I hope it means you have understood. So, at the meeting, we are going to study about derivative of trigonometric function. So, our basic competition of the principle hereditary to a simple trigonometric function and solving problem related to the derivative of trigonometric function. The learning objectives, students are able to identify and interpret their work result, can apply, understand, and analyze knowledge, factual, conceptual, procedural based on their curiosity. Students are expected to understand the concept of the derivative function of trigonometry and solve contextual problem related to the derivative of trigonometric function. Now, I will divide you into two groups. Group 1 members are Dia, Rizka, and Adel, and Group 2 member of Selamat, Dina, and Indah. You are together with our group berikut Zoom. I will share screen the learning slide, teaching material, and other reference source. Now we get into material derivative on trigonometry function. I will explain the material today. Derivative of trigonometric function. Derivative of trigonometric function is a mathematical process in which to find the decomposition of a trigonometric function or the rate of change associated with a variable. The basic trigonometric function include the following six functions. There are six: sin x, cos x, tan x, cotangan x, secant x, and cosecant x. For the example, the derivative of the sin function is written sin accent A equals cos A, meaning that the rate of change of sin x at the particular angle x equals A is given by the cosinus of the angle. The formula derivative of trigonometric function: fx equals sin x, f accent x equals cos x, fx equals cos x, f accent x equals minus sin x, fx equals tan x, f accent x equals secant the power of 2x, fx equals fx equals secant x, f accent x equals secant x times tan x, fx equals cosecant x, f accent x equals minus cosecant x cotangan x, fx equals fx equals cotangan x, f accent x equals minus cosecant the power of 2x. Example 2, derivative of trigonometric function. Question: the differential result of tx equals sin x plus 1 times sin x minus 2 is, the answer is, use the derivative product rule, fx equals u times v, f accent x equals u accent v plus u times v accent is now tx equals sin x plus 1 times sin x minus 2. For the example, u equals sin x plus 1, and then u accent equals cos x, v equals sin x minus 1, v accent equals cos x. I want to ask, you can explain the concept of derivative of trigonometric function.
Trigonometric function on the trigonometric function limit because grid is a special limit.
Great, Dina. Then I have the similar problem. You can discuss to solve this problem with our group partner. I will invite you to breakout Zoom. Is there any question?
Nothing, Miss.
I want to share screen a learning video from YouTube. In this video is the formula of definite of trigonometric function.
I want to ask, give example for formula concept.
Yes, Dina. For the example, the derivative of the sin function is right sin accent A equals cos A, meaning that the rate of change of sin x at the particular angle x equals A is given by the cos of the angle. Anyone else want to ask?
Nothing, Miss.
I hope you understand about this material, and now I will make a break Zoom. Please discuss with your group for 25 minutes.
The derivative of fx equals sin x cos 3x is instance u equals sin x, u accent equals cos x, and v equals cos 3x, v accent equals minus 3.
The derivative g of x equals 3x squared minus 1 divided by 2 plus 2 cos x is the recall that f of x equals x, f of f accent.
The time is up. I hope you made good use of the discussion. Okay, please to the first group to present the result of the discussion.
Derivative of f of x equals cos 3x is instance equals sin x, u accent equals cos x, v 3x, v accent equals minus 3 sin 3x. F of x equals sin x cos 3x. F of x equals u accent times plus u times v accent. Cos x times cos 3x plus sin x minus sin 3x equals cos x times cos 3x minus 3 sin x times sin 3x equals cos x times cos 3x minus sin x times sin x 3x minus 2 sin x sin 3x equals cos x plus 3x minus 2 sin x times sin 3x equals cos 4x minus 2 sin x times sin 3x equals cos 4x plus cos 4x minus cos 2x. 2 cos 4x minus cos 2x. F of x equals sin x plus 3x is f of x equals 2 cos 4x minus cos 2x.
Good job for the first group. And the next, the second group.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We form group 2. The answer, the derivative gx equal 3x squared minus 1 divided 2x squared plus 2. The answer, recall that fx equal cos x sin x is equal minus sin x. By using above, we get gx equal x squared minus 1 divided 2x squared plus 2 cos x equals 3x squared minus 1 divided x squared plus 2 cos x. G accent x is 3 times 2 square minus 2 times minus 2 power minus 3 plus 2 sin x equal x plus 1 divided the power 3 minus.
Good job for the second group. I think you have been able to understand the material this time. I think our lesson today is enough. Before we close our study, we want to conclusion today's lesson.
Miss. Conclusion, the trigonometric function is a mathematical in which to find the decomposition trigonometric function or the rate change with a variable. The basic trigonometric function include the following 6 functions: sin x, tan x, cotangent x, secant x, and x.
Okay, thank you, Adele. your level of understanding about this material, I will share a quiz link that you can access to work on some question related to today learning. Please upload the student worksheet in Schoology.
Okay, Miss.
And don't forget to study the material for the next meeting. For today's lesson, do you have anything to add?
Nothing, Miss.
I think it's enough for today. Before we end this meeting, let's pray together and blessing for the God. Pray begins. Finish. I hope you are always enthusiastic and have a nice day. Keep your spirit up and don't forget to care your health. Thank you for today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh. Thank you, Miss.
Okay guys, that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. See you the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.